This is another dish from the late antique recipe collection by the Gothic nobleman Vinidarius from the 5th century. The cleaned fish is half cooked in plenty of oil with garum fish sauce. The recipe asks for turnips, but I couldn't find any here in southern Italy where they are not common, so I chose kohlrabi, also called German turnip, which admittedly is not the same, but also good. The root vegetables are first parboiled, then diced and squeezed to remove extra liquid. Then fish and veggies finish their cooking process together with cumin, crushed bay laurel berries and saffron in the pan. At the very end, it is thickened with a little flour. Served with a dash of vinegar. I paired this extraordinary dish with a side that would have been an expensive treat at the time: rice.